This is a final video to fix the Hisense washing machine F13 error for good. Are you staring at your washer right now because it stopped working and shows this exact code on the screen? This frustrating problem usually happens because the door lock or the main control board has a small communication glitch. Most other solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too confusing, long, or just hard to follow for most people. Here at Rexist, we make things much easier for you to understand. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if the problem seems very critical. You should pause this video and try these methods one by one as they appear, or take quick screenshots of the instructions. These steps fix the internal sensor issues and reset the system so you can finish your laundry today. I will not waste your time with long stories or hard words that only experts know. You just need to look at the screen and follow the method step by step as they show up to get your machine running again.